Hey guys, Digital Mentor here. Today I want to show you how you can make up to $3,000 a month testing. You're going to be able to make money online testing to make some PayPal cash. Now this is going to be a worldwide model of how to make money online. It's not going to be passive income, but this is actually a worldwide method to make some easy money online. If you like this video, guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We're really trying to grow this channel, so please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure to hit the bell icon for notifications for future videos that I'll be uploading. But if you're really looking to make some passive income, you're not willing to trade time for money, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's going to be the first link in the description below. So guys, getting right into this video, we are going to go to a site called utest.com. I had a hard time finding this site because I kept putting in utesting. It is utest.com. And it's one of the largest communities of testers in the world. It's easy money. You just take your skills, you provide some input, you take some tests for some of these really big name companies, and you get paid for your input and becoming a tester. So when you get there, you're going to want to click on this. You're going to want to provide your first name, your last name, your email, your birthday, the languages that you speak, and then you just keep clicking through. The sign up is really easy for this site. It's super awesome, easy, and you're going to be able to make money through PayPal and I believe Pioneer, but I really want to focus on the fact that you can get paid through PayPal because in my previous videos, I had told you sign yourself up for a PayPal account. A lot of these methods that I'm going to teach you how to make money online, you are going to require a PayPal account. So take a valid email as well as an account and a card and get yourself signed up through PayPal. It's really crucial that you guys get yourself a PayPal account if you're going to start trying to make money online. Because a lot of these sites do pay through PayPal. So check out PayPal, get yourself an account, get yourself signed up through UTest. So this is how it works, guys. How UTest works. Complete your UTest account. Like I had said before, you want to do your registration, confirm your email, and fill out your tester profile. I need you to be as honest as you can when you fill out your tester profile so they can match you with paid testing projects that are the right type of fit for you. Don't say that you're an aerospace engineer if you know nothing about it, because they're going to pair you up with tests that require that type of knowledge or something along those lines. So you need to be as honest and accurate as possible when you fill out your registration. So that way you get paired with the right type of tests that fit you and the type of information that you're going to be able to feed back to them in order to get paid for your testing. So you want to build your skills at the academy. There are going to be tests and completing courses, passing quizzes, and participating in live practice test circles in our UTest Academy. So they're going to help you build your skills here. They're really going to, you're not just like thrown to the wolves, thrown in a lake when you didn't know how to swim. They're really going to help you build your skills, build your UTest muscles. So you're going to be able to start making higher paying tests just by completing the projects that they ask you to complete, as well as their academy. As your UTester rating increases, you'll receive project invitations or survey requests that are matched to your tester profile. So guys, you're going to be getting these tests, and it is absolutely crucial that you provide an email that you're able to check that's kind of like hooked up to your phone where you're going to get notifications when you get emails, because you're going to want to accept these invitations and not miss out on some of the jobs and some of the ways to make money. Now, once you complete your projects, you're going to be able to earn money. They pay testers twice a month using PayPal or Payoneer. So guys, if you are a little sketched out about using PayPal, you can use Payoneer. I highly recommend PayPal. I use PayPal every day. So get yourself your account set up. You're going to use a valid email that you're able to check often, and then you're going to be accepting these invitations and completing these tests, increasing your tester rating. Now, you can earn money testing a lot of these big name brands. You have Volkswagen here, Facebook, Google, Starbucks, Nike, MasterCard, McDonald's. So a lot of big companies really would like their input. They like their stuff tested. So definitely check all of this out. So I'm going to take you over here at Why You Test. There's some testimonials here, people who talk about their community that they have, some of the paid projects that you can do, submitting approved bugs and test cases, completing usability surveys, and then there's going to be something with referral bonuses. So before we get really big into the whole referral bonuses, I really want you to check out About Us up here, free training for all testers. So you're going to be taught how to improve your ratings, which is going to get you better jobs. There are paid projects for all skill levels, though. So if you are new to this, you are still going to be able to make money on UTest. Like I said, guys, this is going to be a worldwide model. There's a global community of crowd testers as well. So testing worldwide, new testers a day. There's about 1,000 new testers every single day. So this site's really growing. Get in before it gets oversaturated. And that way you can get as many paid testing gigs as possible. Millions get paid to test monthly. They were born, they tell you exactly where they were born, how it happened, and you can just kind of follow the timeline along of how long UTest has been around. Frequently asked questions. They'll tell you how much money you can earn. How are the testers selected by projects? You can take a look at that. Our clients set the requirements for each testing project. Usually they're only tied to operating systems specific to iOS or Android, which means as long as you have a device that we're looking for and speak the language they request, you'll also be eligible to participate in the project. So it's really simple. It's really easy to get picked for projects. So it's really awesome, guys. Check it out. And then I want to just pop really quickly over to the project boards. These are some of the projects that you can get paid to do testing on. If you participate in outdoor activities, they want to know about it. Please tell us in this poll. Project details, so they want to know about that. They want to know what you're doing outside, and you're going to get paid for it. And as you can see, this is a worldwide model. They're also looking for testers with motorcycles. If you have a motorcycle, you're going to be able to fill out tests on that. It's really awesome. New testers with rooted Android devices. I've never been able to do that, so that's probably not a test I would do well with. Now, these are urgent projects too. They need people for them. Hardware testing. Are you a mobile app developer? Like I said, it's all skill levels down to what outdoor activities do you do to app developers, testers with specific Samsung TVs. I'm not really sure. I think I have a Vizio, so I don't think I would fall in that category, but looking for owners of mixed realty wearables. So, I mean, there's tons and tons and tons of tests that you guys can be doing. Referrals for airline travel surveys, studies, social media study. We are looking for people located worldwide to participate in an upcoming social media study. So if you have social media, this one is perfect for you. So guys, definitely check out UTest. Now I wanted to just draw your attention. They do have a global referral program. And what that is if you have someone sign up for UTest through your referral link, you are going to be able to make money for that. And this explains it really clear. Just Google UTest referral program and you'll come up to this page. They tell you the payments, the ratings, exactly how much you're going to get paid to do this right in the referral program. So it's really simple and easy. Here, let me get over to this one. Should my referral do after they click on their link? They explain it to you. How do you refer someone with a specific referral campaign? How will I be paid? Now, it just tells you that you make a commission for your referral passes to Academy training cycles. You'll see 75% of your referral commission when qualifying referral submits approved work and test projects of UTest, submitting approved bugs, completing test cases, and filling out surveys. So you're going to make money. You can make the 25% if you referred them. You'll be paid 25% of your referral commission when your referral passes these set criteria. So it's really interesting. You can literally just make money referring people to this site and having them sign up just through your link. And we're just going to pop over here and see how the ratings, they're going to tell you why you were rated, how you can increase your tester rating. Why is my rating not changes? Where do I find a rating here? So it's really interesting. Any questions that you're going to have, they're going to be able to answer for you. And I know that they do have forums too for you to take a look at. There's articles, there's forums. So there's a lot of information about how you're going to be able to flex your muscles, make them stronger, and really make some killer money on this site. Now, as you can see, there's quite a few people making some crazy money on utest.com. So it's proof. It's proof is in the pudding. People are making money hand over fist here on UTest. So I know it's something that works. I know it is. And then just to be 100% sure, I checked. UTest is not a scam. It's a legitimate company with an amazing one at that. While UTest is not perfect, most criticisms can be answered if you look into the entire situation objectively. People are getting paid to be testers for these big companies. Get in before it gets oversaturated, guys. So like it said before, there are a lot of testers joining every single day, and you want to be, building your rating so that you are going to get paid more and offered more invitations for more tests. Get yourself signed up, get yourself a PayPal account, and get testing. Make sure that you use a valid email so you can collect these invitations and really get going on this site. It's utest.com. Guys, I really hope that you enjoyed the video. It was a lot of fun to make. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell icon so that way you get notifications for future videos that I'll be posting. And if you really are not one to be trading time for money, you want to make that passive income, you really want to make a full-time income online, check my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's the first link in the description below. See you soon, guys.